was our second stop during our Santorini day trip. After Ira, it seemed really quiet. The views were still breathtaking though, and I even felt like we could enjoy them more because there was more open space. The islands in front of us made the scenery even more interesting. Right at the beginning, our guides informed us that we should be cautious about where we eat because the prices can be quite touristy. So I feel like it's important to mention that in this vlog too. In FIRA, there is a cable car that can take you down to the old port. You can also walk if you want. Later on, we'll find the stairs, but keep in mind that it will take you quite a while. We came across a really nice place that I of course didn't remember the name of. The prices were quite reasonable, and since it was a very small place, almost every table had a view. For centuries, donkeys and mules were the island's main way of transporting people, food, wine, and building materials up and down the steep caldera paths. The best known road is the staircase of roughly 600 steps linking the old port with FIRA. Before the cable car opened in the 1980s, riding a donkey or a mule was one of the few practical ways to make the climb. Today, many tourists still choose the ride as a traditional Santorini experience, although it's heavily criticized by many people nowadays. So if you can, I'd recommend taking the cable car instead. There are 14 villages on Santorini in total. Some of them are more touristy, while others don't seem to have anything particularly famous to see. but if you're staying for a longer period of time, you might want to explore places beyond FIRA and IA to get a more authentic experience and a deeper understanding of the island. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.